Today, we're stepping into a property unlike anything you've ever seen before. Welcome to the Circle L South Ranch. This incredible 146-acre estate is a full-on outdoor paradise designed for private retreats, family gatherings, hunting, fishing, and pure adventure. Right at the heart of the property sits the custom lodge, almost 3,000 square feet of comfort and style. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with built-in ice maker, gas range, dishwasher, and a wine cooler. Multiple dining tables, iron bar chairs, and an oversized farm sink make hosting effortless. The lodge sleeps up to 8 guests across the owner's suite and 4 upstairs bedrooms. Each room comes with a mini split HVAC unit and flat-screen TV. Downstairs, you'll find a massive stone fireplace, a custom pool cable, dartboard, washer-dryer, mudroom with gear storage, and walls ready for your hunting trophies. Step outside onto the large upper-level deck or covered porches. Relax by the fire pit or enjoy the 1.5-acre stocked pond. The historic Mason House guest cottage, built in 1941, adds over 1,600 square feet of cozy living space, with 3 bedrooms, a full kitchen, sunroom, den, and porch areas, perfect for family or overflow guests. Outdoors, this property is a hunter's paradise. Deer, turkey, small game, and even the occasional bear roam freely. Managed timber, food plots, multiple outbuildings, and an insulated workshop with a skinning shed and shooting range complete the picture. Whether it's a private retreat, corporate retreat, or family compound, this property truly delivers a turnkey outdoor lifestyle you won't find anywhere else. You have to see it to believe.